have the deck line finished for the V-birth area. That's the emergency anchor storage. That there is just an opening so I can get to the bolts that bolt the box in. This is a step down area into the V-birth, which will be stepping down from, this is deck line. And you can see I got a storage box, storage throw bag area, storage box. They'll have lights in them. So this is the battery area. The battery boxes will be bolted in the center. It'll be 3 D8 battery boxes, and each one will have 2 sets of L31 batteries. And I got this all soundproofed, and you can see I have all the crisscrossing, all the frames. This is the, I call it the cubby berth under the dinette. It's the sleeping area. So today I'm going to start cutting this piece right here first down the center, and it comes all the way up to here. The berth sleeping area is 7 foot long by 52 wide, and that's the line there of the wall, and that'll be welded right to the shroud over top the fuel tank. So that's the pieces, and that's where I'm at now. So I've got the wall and sections in for the under dinette sleeping area. And that had to be segmented to match the hole. But that'll be sleeping area up to in there, all the way to here flat. And that's just that little bit of an angle there, because this is all bed along here. That line. This is the walk down area, 2 foot to here.